How to add medical expenses on Wealthsimple Tax. Claiming medical expenses on your tax return can help reduce your taxable income, and Wealthsimple Tax makes the process straightforward. Here's exactly how to do it. First, gather all your eligible medical expense receipts. This includes payments for prescriptions, dental work, medical devices, travel for treatment, and other qualified costs. Keep digital or physical copies organized for your records. Next, log into your Wealthsimple Tax account through wealthsimple.com. Navigate to the Tax section and select your current year's return. Under the Deductions and Credits tab, search for Medical Expenses. This will open the dedicated input form. Here, enter the total eligible amount spent during any 12-month period ending in the tax year. Wealthsimple Tax automatically checks if your expenses meet the minimum threshold, 3% of your net income or a fixed amount, whichever is lower, to qualify for the non-refundable tax credit. Once reviewed, net file your return directly through Wealthsimple. The system will apply the credit to reduce your owed taxes or increase your refund. If this guide helped, like this video and subscribe for more tax tips. Thanks for watching.